A black helicopter just flew over me. Well, to the edge of me. Over those trees. And I think it's going to come back probably. Weird. Every day there's been weird traffic. Plane traffic. Now it's really windy from the helicopter. Can you see it, like, blowing the umbrella up? It's calming down now. But if it gets up there again, I gotta take the umbrella down. I hear it. It's over here now. It went in the circle. I keep forgetting that the camera's on me and not the sky. Okay, it's so bright out here I can't even see what my screen looks like. It's just black. Okay, so I'm hiding behind the ducky. The ducks are camouflage. I'm in a duck blind. I'm gonna do a life update. Whatever they're called. Things have been good. We tore out the steps of the porch back there behind me. And we put the canopy up today because the sun is just, it's horrible. But George has done a lot of work. I don't think I can zoom it that way. And the canopy has helped a lot. I was worried he was going to get a heat stroke yesterday. But it's not hot. Like, the temperature isn't high, okay? It's the UV light that, let's see. See it? Let me get out of the way. Damn, I can't even see my screen. Oh, oh, here, there it is, see it? It's like blocking out my face. Okay, the thing that's moving, the little spot, is just, my camera's thing. The little blue dot that moves around. Looks like an orb. But it's a lens flare. Lens flare. I remembered. Oh, it's horrible. I shouldn't even be out here. Oh. Updates. Like the 6th, I think, is when we get our stove. And we ordered a propane. Need my duck back. I feel like my arm's gonna catch on fire. That's how hot it is. Hold on. Arm switch. So we got a propane stove. I'm trying not to show anything, but I think I just did. erase that from your memory. My arm was on fire. I'm counting on God to come back. Because our bodies, if we're out in the sun, it's going to eat our skin. Here comes the helicopter. Thank you, Lord. And I hear a crazy bird. Hear it? It's going to come right over me. Let me turn around. Hide with the duck. It's coming out. Oh, there it is. Oh, I really hope you saw it. I really hope I caught that. Alright, I'm going to check. I'll be back. Armor on. Ephesians 6. 1 Corinthians 12. And God gave me the Bible verse that proves my collective consciousness theory about the beast system. I don't know if that's what it's called, the collective consciousness. I know it's like global citizen is one term they're going to use. You know, the RFID chip. Amen. All that. Okay. That's enough conspiracy. Oh, hit like. Click subscribe. And leave a comment. The sun is frying my brain. Alright.